belong to you. Do just what you want.
Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hey, I accidentally went into Sephora and bought quite the amount of shit, so let's talk about it. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna use everything for the first time. We can really get the tea from these products. I'm very excited about it. So without further ado, let's just get on in it. I'm gonna side note now, please ignore my nails if you see anything crazy going on. They're all chipping, they're looking wonky. Okay. First up, two things I just needed refills of is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian shower cream. It's basically just a shower gel, but it smells so good. If you're in Sephora, please just go take a stroll past and give this a sniff. Oh my god. It smells like vanilla cupcakes pretty much, but this is like actually a really good body gel, so restock. Next up, my girl is the Inkylist Hyaluronic Acid. I love to put this on before any other skincare product. I put this on first. It helps with my dry skin so much. Nothing's helped my dry skin as much as this serum. And it's only $8, okay? This is what the bottle looks like. I like that it's in this kind of squeezy container. I don't know why, I feel like there's more product in there. Okay, now onto the makeup. This is the fun stuff. So first up, we have the Sephora Best Skin Ever Foundation. So I don't know if this is the right shade, honestly. I got it to match me when I'm self-tanned, and I'm clearly self-tanned. If you can't tell, I'm very tan right now. So I hope that this is the right shade, but I've been hearing amazing things about this. It's basically like your skin, but better type of thing. And it's medium coverage, so that's like the amount of coverage I like. I think that's just enough for me. This was only $20 also, so I hope that this is worth the hype. I'm very excited to try that. And I got the brush that was right next to it, which is just this Sephora brush. It's the Makeup Match Foundation brush. I haven't even taken this out of the package yet. Ooh, I like this. It's nice and dense. Very, very soft. Okay. So I needed my hair, I'm just not liking it today. You know, it's just really driving me crazy. So I needed a new concealer. I've been using the Kosas concealer for a while. I also really love the NARS concealer, but I've heard raving reviews about the Hourglass Vanish concealer, so I was like, let me try this thing out. Let's see what the hype is about. So I got the shade Cotton. Love the packaging. Applicator is very cool to me. I've never seen one on a concealer like this. I feel like this looks like a lip gloss applicator for some reason. So I don't know why I need to smell everything, but I've heard amazing things about this, so this better live up to the hype. Next up, really excited about these two. I was watching Madison Beer's Vogue Beauty Secrets makeup tutorial, and that's what inspired me to like get some of these products. I haven't tried much from Fenty Beauty, but got these two guys. This is the Instant Warmth Bronzer in Island Ting. So it's just like their medium bronzer. This noise from this vanity is so fucking annoying. I'm so sorry. Every time I lean on it, it makes that noise. Let's just for a second appreciate this packaging. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that Fenty Beauty, baby. Perfect bronze shade, I feel. And we have this is called Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. It's in the shade Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. They're both the shades that Madison Beer used in her video. So packaging, amazing, gorge. And we have, oh my god, like how beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna mix the two. We'll see. And lastly, needed a mascara. Actually, I lied, I got this at Ulta, but I've been seeing this on TikTok. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Needed a new mascara really bad, and I was like, I'm just done buying $30 mascaras. It's getting a little ridiculous. Packaging, love packaging. Let's see the applicator. Oh, big smiling girl, I don't know. Applicator is like a, I don't know, we're not focusing here. Let's get into the actual makeup. Let's try these things. I'm very excited. Let's go. Did my skincare ready. Bring you a little closer, hi. Okay, so first up we have the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I got the shade 21.5W. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this right on the brush. I'm gonna start with one pump. That's a large one pump. Pump is sensitive. So I'm gonna go in, maybe I shouldn't have done it this way. This is like a lot. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna toss that on the back of my hand. I'm gonna blend this side in so we could see the difference. First impression, the brush feels great. Blending really nicely. Wow. Oh, the shade's good, I think. I think this is a good color with a self-tan. Wait, this is really nice. Okay. Okay, wait, I'm really liking this so far. It doesn't feel like anything's on my skin, but I feel like it's also like perfecting it. I really like this brush. It's really nice. Okay, so this half of my face is with the foundation on, obviously not under my eyes. Color, perfect, like literally perfect. I feel like one pump is enough for like one half of the face. Definitely could be buildable for sure, but it feels like I literally have nothing on. It also doesn't even look like I have foundation on. Very impressed with this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other half of my face. Extremely blendable too, like so easy to blend. Wow, okay. I really like this, like really, really like it. Just looks so nice. Like it literally perfected my skin. Like I have like a little red dot here and here, and it definitely reduced the redness. It didn't cover it completely. If I go over it again, I'm sure it will, but I don't want full coverage. So like I said, it's definitely buildable. Wow. I'm gonna keep this on for a few hours too and see like how it wears. So far, I'm gonna give this like a 8.5. That's pretty high. Also, this brush, 10 out of 10. I really like this brush. It's so soft. You just wanna like do this all day. Next up, we have the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. This might be too light. Just warning. It's a little it's a little bright. I don't know how I'm applying this. Like, what am I doing right now? I'm gonna do a little on my nose here and on my forehead just because this is looking a little light and I want to balance it out. I think without a self-tan, this would be perfect. This looks so crazy. I'm gonna blend this out with a Real Techniques domed shadow brush. Shit, I might need to return this. This is really light. People like a really bright under eye, but I don't know. This is really, really light. Oops. Maybe when I blend it all, it'll look okay. Blends nicely. Definitely like a fuller coverage. It's clinging to my dryness a little bit. A little goes a long way with this because I definitely didn't need as much as I put. Okay, so it's really hard for me to tell right now because this color is so bad. Like, I just really fucked up on this one. I don't know, honestly, how I feel. My skin's a little dry because I put self-tanner on it last night, but I feel like it's kind of like clinging to my, it's making my under eyes look drier than they are. It's very blendable, fuller coverage, I'd say. It's okay. I might return it, truly. I don't know. I'm not like, oh my God. I'm gonna give this like a 5, honestly. Kind of disappointing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, set my face, do my brows, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. So I went into the bathroom and the concealer doesn't look horrible now. Like the color wise, I just don't know if I like the concealer itself. Don't want to hate on it too much. I'm literally just trying it for the first time. Sorry, Hourglass, you have great stuff. So I did my brows, set my face. Oh, that's the blush. So I'm going in with the Fenty, whoa, she's shiny. The Fenty Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the color Island Ting. Going in with this Morphe M105 brush. It's a little wonky, like we got a lot of hairs just flying around. I don't even want to dip into this, like this is gorgeous. I don't want to fuck that up. I'm just gonna go in lightly because I don't know how pigmented this is gonna be. don't know why every time I put bronzer on, I like put my hand over here and like pull my face back. It's such a weird thing I do. Just can't help it right now. I'm nervous. Okay, I definitely need more. There's nothing on the fucking brush. Okay, it looks so much more pigmented on camera. Oh my god. Color is great. Blends really nicely. I feel like sometimes with bronzer, I'll put it on and it literally will take my foundation away from that spot. I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but it happens to me and it's extremely annoying. Wow, I really like this actually. This is like a really nice color. It's like super warm, just enough to warm up the face. I'm not contouring, I'm literally just warming up my face and it's doing just that. Wow, yeah, yep. This is good. Yeah, I like this a lot. I feel like powder products also last like 10 times longer for some reason. My powder Anastasia Bronzer, I think I've had that for 4 years. It needs to be thrown away. What am I fucking hand doing right now? This concealer is creasing so much right now. Like trying to give this concealer the benefit of the doubt, but I don't know if it like deserves that. Okay, so I'm gonna give this bronzer a freaking like 10 out of 10 right now. I really like it. It's like perfect color, blends beautifully. Yeah, I'm trying to use clean brushes, but I don't have too many of those on hand, so. Dirty guy, this is a Real Techniques multitask brush. Real Techniques has great brushes, don't sleep on them. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo, Ginger Mule, Ginger Binge, and Moscow Mule. So gorgeous, like this is gorgeous. I'm gonna use Ginger Binge first, which is the less highlighty color, and then I'm gonna add the Moscow Mule on top. Ooh, okay. Rihanna with the fucking powders, girl. Oh, this is it. Yep. Wow, this is literally the perfect blush color. It's like, I'm blushing. That's this color. Blends beautifully, perfect color. Oh, who is she? Wait, I found the perfect blush. I literally found the perfect blush. These under eyes are disgusting right now. Okay, first of all, Ginger Binge, the 1/2, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna take a smaller brush for some reason. Moscow Mule, much more sparkly. I'm gonna put that on like the higher points. Yep. I think your best bet would be to mix because this is definitely more intense now that I added it on top. But oh yeah, I like the glow this gives. Oh my god, this is it, girls. You need this. This is the summer blush, I'm calling it. Wow. Oh my god, I really like this a lot. I'm gonna spray my face now. The Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. I feel like when you set your face, that's like the true test. That's when everything like settles in. This blush is fucking gorgeous. It looks so good with a tan. Oh. I'm gonna have to go take a picture. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm excited to try this mascara too. I love new makeup. I need to do this more often. We have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. These nails are so freaking crusty. I can't even. A tip when you get mascara, don't fucking pump it in like this because you're literally just pushing air into the tube and you're gonna dry it out, okay? So stop doing that, you're welcome. Okay, I like that this mascara wand is like flexible and it's not stiff. That's a good sign for me. All right, let's do one eye at a time. Okay, whoa. Okay, first of all, do you see that? I literally just barely even touched my lashes. When I use mascaras for the first time, I feel like, how do I word this? Sometimes mascaras aren't good until they're almost done. Does that make sense? My Lancome mascara, this one in the beginning, it's like too wet and there's so much product on the brush that I feel like it's like not good. Like I constantly have to wipe off product. But this, oh my god, from the jump it's good? I can't believe. Wait, it's literally making my lashes look incredible. Guys, this is good. Do you see this? Look at that. not even like clumpy at all. You do a little wiggle like this. Helps like get rid of any clumps that like separates your lashes. Oh, I am like insanely impressed. Holy fuck. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. I really needed a new mascara. Mascaras are so hard, I feel like, to find a new one. Okay, so when you go over to the other eye, just stick it in and pull it out. No need to be aggressive with the mascara, okay? Oh, I didn't even know my lashes were this long. I think I'm gonna put it on my lower lashes too, because I'm feeling good about this. I like to put it back in the tube and like get more product when I put it on my lower lashes. I like to just use like the excess. I think I literally just found the best mascara in the world. It's right here, and it's on my freaking eyelashes. Holy shit. Okay, so these are all the new products. I just can't get over this fucking white ass concealer right now. I put a little lip plumper on. Okay, so here's the final result of all the new products I got. So overall, for now, 11 out of 10 for this fucking mascara. Like, amazing. 10 out of 10 brush. 8 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for these two. I'm giving this a fucking 6 right now because I just don't know. Honestly, a 5. I'm gonna come back in a few hours when we're settling, we're moving. We're gonna see how we feel. It's 12:30, so I'll come back later and we'll see how we wear. Hi, okay, it is 4:18 p.m., so it has been a few hours. Got my afternoon matcha. So let's chat. Foundation, amazing. Like, it has stayed so well. It has gotten a little spotty around this area. I was leaning on it, so also I have ripped off my nails in the meantime. They all started cracking. I just couldn't look at it anymore. Around this area, definitely some separation. On my nose a bit. For me, these are kind of like usual spots that happens to. This blush and bronzer has only started to look nicer. Like, it has looked better over time. It is so glowy. This mascara, absolutely unbelievable. I'm just speechless, truly. Usually mascara like literally drips down my eyeballs, like under my eyes are black. It did happen, but not as bad as it usually does, so good sign. This concealer is just not it. I just don't think so. I don't know. I want it to work so badly. I feel like as I kept it on, the color didn't seem as bad anymore, but I'm looking in the mirror behind you. I don't know, it just like, it's very splotchy. I feel like it all kind of like came off. That's like the most disappointing thing. Everything else, like, amazing. I'm obsessed with this blush. Like, it is such a nice color. So that is all. That's the tea. That's the new products. If you're gonna go buy anything, get that Sephora foundation and get those. Actually, just get everything except the concealer. So get the foundation, best skin ever. $20. The Fenty bronzer and the blush. And this mascara, you need it because my lashes look stunning. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more things like this, like, fine, I'll go shopping more. That's fine. I'll do it for the video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you buy these things. If you buy any of them, tag me on Instagram, please. I love when people buy things I recommend because when I really like something, everybody needs it. I hope you take my recommendation because, oops, I would never steer you wrong. No, I wouldn't. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment. Helps me out a lot when you do that. Don't just say it for fun. It genuinely helps. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much.